All right, this is a quick unboxing of HomePod Mini. This is the HomePod Mini from Apple. This is basically supposed to connect with our devices like iPhone, Mac, iPad, and other devices, and basically throw out the audio very clearly. And it is supposed to be better than Amazon's Alexa and also Google's Google audio devices. And this is supposed to be a smart speaker, so basically you can summon Siri to do things like playing songs or basically giving out the weather reports and other things. So this is a quick unboxing. Let's unbox this. So I'm going to unbox this as it is. So as such, you can expect Apple's tight fit for all their devices. So once it opens up, this is how it comes packaged. Probably it got shook a little when I was unboxing it. And when you open this package, this is soft to feel. You can see plus or minus volume buttons on this device, and it comes with an attached USB-C cable. This cable cannot be unattached, and also I don't think so it has an option to connect and what you call the aux cable in. So apart from that, you get it in the box, the charger, if I'm not wrong. It comes with a separator. Then you have the charger, and that's about it. That's all you have. So that was a quick look at unboxing of HomePod Mini from Apple. Thanks. If you like the video, subscribe, and if you want me to make more videos like this, give me a thumbs up as well. Thank you. Bye bye.